Welcome to Continental Fine Jewelry, your one-stop shop for all your jewelry needs. We have a large selection of quality jewelry. Certified gold and silversmith are available on the premises to offer you same-day service, Monday through Saturday. We can custom design jewelry to fit your needs. We resize rings, repair chains, bracelets, reset your stone, or use one of ours. We offer appraisals for insurance replacement. Don't forget to ask us about certified diamonds. Check out our finance-free layaway. We invite you to visit our North Royalton store at 11309 State Road, or visit our website at www.continentalfinejewelry.com, or give us a call at 440-237-0838. You'll be glad you did.